Who's there? We're gonna make it!
Can't hold on much longer.
Here we are again. Right, Puss?
I will not leave you behind this time, Humpty.
I'm sorry, Puss. I've made a mess out of everything. I'm a rotten egg. I'm not a person. I'm not a bird. I'm not even a food. I don't know what I am.
You are what you have always been. My brother.
Brothers forever. You can't save us both.
Yes, I can! Just hang on!
Puss, you have to save the baby or the mama will destroy San Ricardo. It's the right thing to do.
I will not let you go, Humpty.
I know you won't. So I won't make you choose.
I'm very sorry. She's okay. Humpty. I always knew that you were good inside.